So in the given problem, he has given some set of differential equations and he is asking what kind of differential equation. Is it linear or non-linear, or variable separable, or how much is their degree, how much is their order. Okay, what's the order of the given equation, what is the order of the given differential equation, or what is the degree of the given differential equation. So the first, if you see P, this P is purely, it is a, if you see this equation is a Bernoulli's equation. It is a Bernoulli's equation. So we know that all the Bernoulli's differential equations are non-linear differential equations. So you just see the options, whichever is there non-linear. So if you see the options, you have two. One is non-linear of order 1 and another is non-linear of order 2. So if you see the order of this differential equation, what is the order? Order of differential equation is nothing but the highest differentiable, highest derivative. So what is the highest derivative here? Dy by dx. So that means only order is 1. So for P, the option is, it is a non-linear of order 1. And similarly, next one, d square by dx square whole cube plus 3 into dy by dx whole power 4 minus 2y equal to e power x. So whenever you have this kind of differential equation, if this is also a linear function, then I can say that it is a linear equation. If you see here, this e power x, this is a non-linear function, right? So because of this equation become non-linear. So what is the other one? Non-linear. So this is already over, non-linear of order 1. So equation Q, or the differential equation Q is non-linear of order 2. Because order 2 means why? Because the highest differential derivative is here d square by dx square. So power is 2. So its value is non-linear of order 2. And similarly, next is R. So as of now, what we have seen was P is, it is a non-linear equation of order 1. That means P is for 4. That's what we have already seen. And Q is also non-linear equation, but it is of order 2 because it is a d square y by dx square. So Q is for non-linear of order 2 means 6. And next R. So if you see R, it is in the form of some P1 into d square y by dx square plus P2 into d square dy by dx plus P3 into y equal to some Q, where if P1, P2, P3 and Q are functions of x only. If P1, P2, P3 and Q are functions of x only, then I can say that it is a linear differential equation. Now you can compare equation R with this equation. See, x square is a function of x, minus 5x is also a function of x, and 6 is a function of x. That means it is a constant, and log of x, ln of x is also a function of x. So what we can say from this statement? We can say that equation R is a linear differential equation, right? So linear differential equation. What about the order? Order or degree? So it is a linear, and degree means we know that the power of the highest derivative. So what is the highest derivative here? Highest derivative is d square y by dx square. What is the power? Power is 1. So R is a linear equation, linear differential equation of degree 1. So what's the answer? R is 3. So R is 3. And what about the last one? So if you see the equation, it is in the form of m dx plus n dy equal to 0. So I can say that this equation is exactly or exact differential equation if dm by, not dm, I can write dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. So this m dx plus n dy equal to 0 equation is, we can call this equation as a exact differential equation if dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. So now if I rearrange the equation is, what it will become? This will become 2x minus y minus 1, 2x minus y plus 1 into dx plus 2y minus x minus 1 into dy equal to 0. So equation yes, I rearranged and I written like this. So now this is a m and this is a n. So this is m and this is n. What is dou m by dou y? Dou m by dou y. So when you are doing with respect to y, x is constant, so its value is minus 1, and dou n by dou x, so n is 2y minus x minus 1, so when you partial differentiate with respect to x, you will get minus 1. So what I can say, dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. So from these statements, what I can say was this equation is a exact differential equation. So what's the answer? The answer for S is exact differential equation. So exact differential equation is 2. Now you can check the options. P4, Q is 6, R3 and S2. So that is option number B. So answer is option B is the correct answer.